One, two.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salman. I am from Tasik class. Today I will tell you about how to make paper iron plan. The first material you need just one book and or paper. And then first you take the book like this, and then you cut the bit paper because the paper too big, so you need the little bit, the little. Like this, and then you fold the paper until you find line center. Like this. And then again you fold the line paper until you find the line center. And then you crush the paper. Until three angel, and then you fold the under the paper, press the paper until press. Like this, press, and then you fold the paper until center line again. And then you have to the paper fold until on paper like this. And then you fold the paper on the paper, so that you make the speed, the wings. Yeah, until the press. And then fry paper again, fold that make the wings. Like this, and then you save little wings like that. So I wanna make one paper, one toy. That's simple. But do you know? Because that toy is often you play past your children or at elementary school. You just fall again until 7 or 6. Like this, and then you like this, so little, but this is cat son. So sorry guys. Like that. So thank you for attention or your watching. Jelas saya sih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.